All right, everybody, welcome back. Anthony here with Special Analysis, hanging out with Diesel. Today we're going to talk about the opportunity that we took advantage of this morning. Let me give you a little overview of what headquarters looks like. These are all my gadgets. Everything here serves a great purpose in serving my clients and businesses and things of that nature. So Diesel is my trading partner. He hangs out with me every day. He's just a little old man. But either way, you know, we're here to extract money out of the market. And that's exactly what we did this morning, utilizing the profit pack. So we're going to talk about it here. This is light sweet crude oil, and this is the opportunity. So we had a trend change to the downside. We had a correction through the profit band. We broke some ascending prior lows here. So this was the breakdown. This was the correction. You can see that very simply. We had some failed highs here, and we had a prior low here to work with. So of course we just did some very basic simplistic analysis. So impulse, break of prior support, correction. This is the trigger candle. You can see right there, it punctured the profit band. And I mean, this thing just crapped the bed right into prior support, broke through it, corrected back to what was once support became resistance. And then what happened? Boom. I mean, we fell a total of 215 ticks, guys, inside of like less than 2 hours. I mean, that's 2,150 US dollars from entry at the bottom of this trigger bar to the low of this trigger bar. Would I anticipate you to catch it all? Probably not. But we did know we were approaching a daily pivot by our traditional analysis right around this area here, 88.66 to be precise. So we knew that we were getting close to an area that we were going to probably run out of steam. Could have easily taken your stop at that point, placed it, you know, on top of this high, ultimately moving it here and then getting, stopped out on the balance. But there was plenty of opportunity here along the way in this flawless move to take lots of profit. Now, beyond this, if we go over here to this screen right there, you can see that this chart right here is the higher brick speed, what we call the conservative or the extreme volume brick speed. And in doing that, you can see that we were under a whole bunch of pressure. Well, what does that mean? That means multiple time frame confluence. That brick speed and this brick speed were favoring the exact same direction. This technical chart in the corner up here was favoring this exact move. 15-minute moving averages, bias to the short side, 3 fast moving averages, MACD, the whole 9 yards, the entire checklist. We defer over here to the book map. Book map says, hey, listen, if you're going to get in this trade, you got room to take profit before you hit liquidity. And guys, it couldn't have been more true. I mean, here it is. We just perfection. Broke support, retested it, broke that profit pack line. I mean, guys, just flawless. It didn't push against us for even a minute, and then you can just see perfect impulse, perfect correction at prior support now becomes resistance at the profit band, perfect push to the downside. Again, 215 ticks here of profit potential, over $2,000. It doesn't get any easier than this. Listen, if you are not capable of doing this on your own, I offer hand-holding, like 3 hours a day. We're not talking about, once a week. We're talking about every day of the week, guys. I will literally interpret the market for you so that you know when the odds are in your favor. If you need me to do that for you, that coaching package is available with the profit pack. But if you don't make a choice, if you don't make a decision, if you're not willing to do something because you're missing out on an opportunity like this on a fairly regular basis, listen, this trade pays the bills for the month, guys. I'm not talking about buys lunch. I'm talking about covers all living expenses for the entire month. And you're missing out on this. There's a link below this video. If you're not already a follower here, I encourage you to like and follow the video. I invite you to. There's also a link below. You can register an event featured by Kevin Harrington and I, and it will teach you how to use this software.